really feel Dolce & Gabbana in this line. The rich colors, the exciting shades in the eyeshadows, the pencils, the gloss. There's a real richness to the whole brand. Also, I know that the colors that I chose were a lot of Stefano and Domenico's favorite colors. It's true Dolce & Gabbana. This season, I'm really obsessed with Animalia, the fantastic bronzer, which is a very Dolce & Gabbana signature, the leopard print. For day, use it around the eyes with a little tiny touch of mascara and a bronzer and a little gloss on your lip. And then for night, I would pump that up with a Stromboli pencil, work that around the eyes, to slightly blend on the outer corners of the eyes, and then wear a really beautiful Dolce & Gabbana lipstick like red, which will, give you that wonderful sexy feel. And add a little bit more mascara so that your eyelash is a bit stronger. Dolce & Gabbana, the makeup products that I completely am obsessed with are Stromboli, that's one of my all-time favorites. Laguna, I love it, kind of aqua blues. It's a fabulous duo that you can use on the eyes and if you want to play with color. I always love gold. You can put it on the inner corners of your eyes to dress up all the other eyeshadows in the line. My favorite colors on the lips, Ultra and Dahlia and red. I love those colors. And the nude pencil, you cannot live without. If you have slightly red rims, it neutralizes the red inside the eyes and makes the eyes pop. The look that we created for Scarlett was just a really fresh, beautiful look. It was all about the eyes looking very, very pretty. And on the lips, again, we used the two nudes that we have here, Perla and Mandorla, to create that really beautiful nude mouth. And Scarlett loved these. She really did. I'm Pat McGrath. Shop the Dolce & Gabbana makeup collection on Saks.com.